Hello everyone. So I hope all of you are doing good. All of you are healthy. ठीक है? And all of you are preparing well for your CAT or NMAT SNAP जो भी आपका target है. ठीक है? This is your practice set number 9. This is based on a QBR. Number, basically number you can see it's what A, B, C, D, F, G, H, 8-digit integer. So it's based on a number based reasoning or number based QBR, numerical reasoning बोल सकते हो. ठीक है? Okay, so let's move to the set. Yes, this is the set in front of you. I did share this set in many of my social platforms, my social pages, right? So I'm available on LinkedIn, I'm available on Facebook, and obviously WhatsApp, right? And on YouTube. So I have shared this set on LinkedIn, on WhatsApp, and on Facebook also. And I have also created a group. Okay, specifically for reasoning. This is the group over here. So it's only reasoning DILR, right? मतलब all exams only DILR, nothing else. Okay. So what happens in that group? Whenever I create a set or I get a set, I share it in that group, right? And I share the solution of that later on. So basically, if you join the group, you will get the set beforehand. You can try it out, as you can see on the screen, right? I gave it beforehand. They tried it out, and I shared the solution later on. So you will get sets to practice, and the frequency of sharing a new variety of sets in that group, I'll increase the frequency. Right now it is around one set in 2 days. So I'll increase that frequency. So if anyone wants to join the group, do join the group so that you get more sets of DILR for practice. Okay? And yes, in this group, there will be no chit chat. I have seen in many of the groups that are available in Telegram or WhatsApp जहाँ पे भी हो, there are lots of chit chat going on. पढ़ाई की बातें कम होती है, इधर उधर की बातें ज़्यादा होती है. But in this group, it's strictly restricted. If you are interested, if you are serious for your preparation, join this group. You will get extra sets for practice. Only admin, that is myself, can text in this group. So whenever I prepare a set, I'll share it in the group, right? And I'll share the solution later on. Yes, the members of this group, they do share their individual doubts directly to me. And at some point, if I feel किसी का doubt बहुत ही अच्छा set है, I also share that set in the group. If I get a good doubt, ठीक है, I also share that set in that group. And yes, we discuss it later on. ठीक है, हम उसको discuss करते हैं after everyone tries it out. So if you are interested, if you are serious about your preparation, join the group. No entertainment in that group, and yes, no entertainment in my video lectures also. You might have observed, I am not an entertainer, I am an educator. तो मैं यहाँ पढ़ाता हूँ, not entertaining like singing and dancing and all. ठीक है? So we'll have a proper discussion if whenever we have a session like this. ठीक है? चलो, let's move to the solution. So this was the question that I said. Riya, a bright student from Harmony International School, had just completed her scholarship exam. But something unusual happened after the test. Her digital locker, which contained all her documents, was locked with a code. And not just any code, it was an 8-digit number. Her tech-savvy friend, Karan, always up for a challenge, had reset her code. Okay. So her friend, Karan, did reset the code. Okay. But he didn't give her the code. मतलब नया कोड जो उसने रीसेट किया वो कोड उसको दिया नहीं रिया को. Instead, he provided some clues. He slipped her a handwritten note with 9 mysterious hints. 9 mysterious hints. Okay? Turning her new locker code into a logic puzzle. Here is what the note said. So you have 9 hints or 9 conditions. आपको क्या करना है? Your objective or Riya's objective is to find the new code for her locker. ठीक है? Okay. Now let's have a look at the questions. What is the sum of all the 8 digits of the new locker code? Okay. which digit is the last digit of the new locker code, which digit is not present in the new locker code. For the first time when Riya tried to solve the puzzle to get her new locker code, as she was in a hurry, she missed condition 2. So in her first trial, how many possible codes she would have got? What is the value? So mostly if I say finally जो answer आएगा एक definite answer आने वाला है. You are going to get a definite answer. ठीक है, definite 8 digit number एक आने वाला है. ठीक है, okay. चलो, let's move ahead and get Riya's code. So we know that it is a 8 digit number, right? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. Okay, fine. First condition, your new locker code A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H is an 8 digit natural number. Okay, so it's a natural number. This is a natural number. एक पूरा number एक natural number है. So whenever I say natural number means what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and so on, like 1000, or we can say 8923, something like that. So if you observe, if I say natural number, the first digit is never a 0. The first digit is never a 0. So here also we can conclude A जो है 0 तो नहीं होगा. A cannot be a 0 over here. ठीक है, ओके, तो A जो है 0 नहीं होगा. चलो ठीक है, फाइन. Then in this number I have used 3 digits exactly twice. Okay, so 3 digits दो बार यूज हुए हैं and 2 digits only once. 2 digits only once. ठीक है, we'll use this condition later on. होल्ड पे रखते हैं इसको. AB is a 2 digit number. AB a 2 digit number is a perfect square of the 2 digit number GH. CD a 2 digit number is the product of 2 consecutive natural numbers. Now add the 2 digit number CD and EF. The sum is a product of 2 consecutive natural numbers. Also the 2 digit number EF is exactly 6 more than the 2 digit number CD. The 2 digit number DE is even. The 2 digit number BC is not a perfect square. In all the above conditions, the sequence of the digits is as per the given sequence of the alphabets. For example, in 2 digit number CD, C is the first digit, D is the second digit. Okay, चलो ये एक हेल्प कर दे, क्योंकि अभी तक मेरे को ये डाउट हो रहा था कि AB is a 2 digit number. So it might be AB or BA. That information is not provided. AB भी हो सकता है, BA भी हो सकता है. A and B forms a 2 digit number, that is fine, but it can be AB or it can be BA. So the last condition makes it gives it clarity कि जिस order में दिया हुआ है number उसी order में ही रहेगा. So if it is given GH, that means it has to be GH. G is the first number and H is the second number and so on. ठीक है, चलो. So if I start again, first condition we have used, A is not equal to 0. Second condition we will hold it. Third condition, AB, a 2 digit number, is a perfect square of the 2 digit number GH. Okay, so AB is a perfect square of GH. GH square. Okay, fine. Now what are the possibilities? Let's start. 0 1 लूंगा तो यहाँ पे भी 0 1, A 0 हो जाएगा, not possible. अच्छा 0 2 लूंगा तो यहाँ पे 0 4, which is again not possible क्योंकि A 0 हो नहीं सकता है. ठीक है. Then 0 3 लूंगा तो AB will become 0 9, which is again not possible, right? Okay. 0 4 लूंगा तो AB becomes 16. Yes, it is possible. Yes, it is possible. A 0 नहीं है. ठीक है. Then 0 5 25, 0 6 36, 0 7 49, 0 8 64, 0 9 81, 1 0 होगा नहीं क्योंकि 100 हो जाएगा, becomes a 3 digit number. Becomes a 3 digit number. Now this concludes कि G definitely is 0. G definitely is 0. G अपना जो है वो definitely 0 है. ठीक है, चलो आगे देखते हैं. CD, a 2 digit number, is the product of 2 consecutive natural numbers. Okay, ठीक है. Let's see what can be CD. CD, product of 2 natural numbers. तो let's say 1 into 2 हो सकता है, तो CD 0 2 हो सकता है. देन 2 इंटू 3 हो सकता है, CD 06 हो सकता है, देन 3 इंटू 4 हो सकता है, CD 1 to 12 हो सकता है, लाइक दैट, राइट? सो व्हाट आर द पॉसिबल वैल्यूज? 2, 6, 12, 3 into 4, then 4 into 5, 20, 5 into 6, 30, 6 into 7, 42, 7 into 8, 56, 8 into 9, 72, 9 into 10, 90, 10 into 11, 110. Not possible because we are only focusing on two digit numbers. We are only focusing on two digit numbers. ठीक है, चलो ये हो गया CD के ये सारे possibilities हैं. Then what we have? Add the two digit numbers CD and EF. अच्छा, CD और EF को अगर add करते हैं, the sum is a product of two consecutive natural numbers. तो EF, if I take the two digit number EF, हाँ, अगर CD प्लस EF करते हैं, जो भी प्रोडक्ट आता है, सॉरी जो भी सम आता है, दैट इज अगेन अ प्रोडक्ट ऑफ टू कंसेक्यूटिव नेचुरल नंबर्स, ठीक है? बट EF के बारे में तो फिलहाल कोई आइडिया है नहीं अपने को, राइट? तो कुछ कर नहीं सकते. चलो आगे देखते हैं. ऑल्सो द टू डिजिट नंबर EF इज एग्जैक्टली 6 मोर देन द टू डिजिट नंबर CD. अच्छा, EF जो है CD से 6 ज्यादा है, ठीक है? तो 02, that means here I'll have 08, here I'll have 12, here I'll have 18, here I'll have 26, here I'll have 36, here I'll have 48, here I'll have 62, here I'll have 78 and here I'll have 96. ठीक है, चलो इनको ऐड करते हैं. We are going to add all this, right? और हमें जो भी रिजल्ट मिलेगा, the result has to be a product of two consecutive natural numbers. The result has to be a product of two consecutive natural numbers. चलो 02 and 08, 10. Is 10 product of two consecutive natural numbers? No, 10 is a product of 2 and 5. They are not consecutive natural numbers. तो cancel. अच्छा, 6 plus 12, 18. 18 is 2 into 19 हो सकता है, 3 into 6 हो सकता है, बट कोई भी सिनेरियो में they are not product of consecutive natural numbers. Cancel. अच्छा, 12 plus 18, 30. Yes. 30 is a product of two consecutive natural number, that is 5 into 6. ये feasible है. Then 20 plus 26, 46. 46 is 2 into 23, right? तो ये कभी भी product of two consecutive natural numbers हो नहीं सकता है. 66, 6 into 11 हो सकता है. That is the closest possible, I think. Yes. तो again they are not consecutive natural numbers. Product of consecutive natural numbers नहीं है. 42 plus 48, 90. Yes. 9 into 10, 90. Possible. ठीक है. देन 56 प्लस 62 आ जाएगा 118. 118 अगर देखते हैं 2 से, अगर 4 से काटते हैं, 4 से तो नहीं कटेगा, 2 से ही कटेगा. 2 से कटा तो 59. नो, दे आर नॉट प्रोडक्ट ऑफ टू कंसेक्यूटिव नेचुरल नंबर्स, राइट? 118 इज नॉट प्रोडक्ट ऑफ टू कंसेक्यूटिव नेचुरल नंबर्स. अच्छा, 72 प्लस 78 कितना आ जाएगा? 150. 150 में 25 इंटू 6 हो सकता है. और अगर क्लोज लेना जाए तो कैन इट बी एनी क्लोजर? नो, नहीं हो सकता कंसेक्यूटिव नेचुरल नंबर्स. अच्छा, 186 will be 6 into 31. That's it. That is the closest possible. So that means only two possible scenarios where the sum of CD and EF is also a product of two consecutive natural numbers, right? That is condition number 5. Condition number 5 वही था हमारा कि sum of CD and EF should also be a product of two consecutive natural numbers. So only two scenarios are satisfying, that is 12 plus 18, 30 and 42 plus 48 is 90. ठीक है, चलो let's get those two scenarios and remove everything else. Remove everything else. तो पहला आ गया अपना 12 plus 18 is equals to 30 and the second scenario is 42 plus 48 is equals to 90. चलो बाकी सब हटा दो. Remove everything else. Okay, done. Then what we have? Okay, so now we have two cases, CD 12 and EF 18 or CD 42 and EF 48 G0. ठीक है, ओके, ये हमारे दो सिनेरियो निकल के आ गए. Then what we have? Seventh condition, the two digit number DE has to be even. तो पहले सिनेरियो में देखो DE 2 and 1 21 है, इवन नहीं है. So first scenario is ruled out because DE was 21, it was this 1 to 18, तो D क्या है यहाँ पे 21 है, तो 21 इवन नहीं है अपना, राइट? सो इट हैज टू बी रूल्ड आउट. एंड आई होप ऑल ऑफ यू रिमेंबर कंडीशन 9 वी हैव मेंशन किया था प्रॉपरली, क्या कि जिस ऑर्डर में अल्फाबेट्स दिए हुए दे आर द डिजिट्स आर इन दैट ऑर्डर. तो सी डी का 1 2 निकला, डी ई एफ का 1 8 निकला, दैट इज डी हैज टू बी 2 1. ठीक है, सो दैट इज नॉट एन इवन नंबर, सो दैट इज रूल्ड आउट. So the only possibility remaining is 4 2, 4 8 and 0. This is the only possibility remaining. ठीक है, चलो आगे देखते हैं. The 2-digit number BC is not a perfect square. अच्छा, not a perfect square. ठीक है, ओके. और फिर हमारा कंडीशन 2 बचा हुआ है. अच्छा, BC के बारे में तो मतलब देखते हैं. तो अभी कंडीशन 2 और कंडीशन 8 को साथ में लेते हैं. CDEF अपना हो चुका, CDEF भी अपना हो चुका, वी कैन रिमूव इट, ठीक है. अभी तक देखो हमने कंडीशन 2 को यूज नहीं किया था. नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू यूज कंडीशन 2 एंड कंडीशन 8 टुगेदर, कंडीशन 2 एंड कंडीशन 8 टुगेदर. ठीक है, चलो अगर हम कंडीशन 8 को यूज करते हैं तो क्या क्या यहाँ पे नहीं हो सकता है, एक बार देख लेते हैं. आई एम कीपिंग कंडीशन 2, ठीक है. कंडीशन 2 विल यूज, इफ आई यूज कंडीशन 8 तो व्हाट आर द पॉसिबिलिटीज? कैन आई हैव 0 4 ओवर हियर, G0 एंड H4, G0 H4 पॉसिबल. अगर लिया तो यहाँ पे 16 आएगा, बट दिस इज व्हाट 64, BC 64 विच इज ए परफेक्ट स्क्वायर, तो मतलब ये पॉसिबल नहीं है. ओके, 0 4 इज नॉट पॉसिबल. कैन आई टेक 0 5, 0 5 लिया तो यहाँ पे क्या हो जाएगा 25, फिजिबल? यस फिजिबल, क्योंकि 54 बन रहा है ना BC विच इज नॉट ए परफेक्ट स्क्वायर. तो यहाँ नीचे ले आते हैं A B C D E F G H. तो फर्स्ट पॉसिबिलिटी वी हैव 25, 42, 48 एंड 05. दिस द फर्स्ट पॉसिबिलिटी. ठीक है, ये हो गया. अच्छा, इफ आई टेक 06, इफ आई टेक 06, 4 2 4 8 06, ठीक है, तो मतलब हियर आई हैव 36. अगेन दिस इज 64, तो BC इज ए परफेक्ट स्क्वायर, नॉट पॉसिबल, राइट? अच्छा, इफ आई टेक 07, 07 अगर लिया तो 4 2 4 8 तो रहेगा, दिस बिकम्स 49, फिजिबल? यस फिजिबल. 94 विच इज नॉट ए परफेक्ट स्क्वायर. ठीक है, ओके. इफ आई टेक 08 तो 4 2 4 8 एंड दिस बिकम्स 64, 44, BC is 44 which is also not a perfect square, this is also feasible. अच्छा, if I take 09, 4 2 4 8, 09 अगर लिया तो 81, this is also feasible क्योंकि BC becomes 14 which is also not a perfect square. ठीक है, so I have used all the condition except condition number 2. condition number 2 अभी तक लगाया नहीं है. तो अगर हम condition 2 अप्लाई करते हैं, if I apply condition 2, what it says, I have used 3 digits exactly twice and 2 digits exactly once, only once. ठीक है. अच्छा, फर्स्ट सिनेरियो, do I have exactly once वाले? exactly once कौन कौन सा यूज हुआ है? 0 यूज हुआ एंड 8 यूज हुआ, राइट? exactly once, let it write here. So these are the digits which are used exactly once. Okay, so 2, yes it has been used 2 times. Then 5, yes it has been used 2 times. 4, yes it has been used 2 times. Perfect. So I have 3 digits. The 3 digits are 2 5 4, 2 5 and 4 which are used 2 times, which are used 2 times. 0 and 8 are the only 2 digits which are used exactly 1 time. ठीक है. अच्छा, सेकंड सिनेरियो पे आता है, तो ये सिनेरियो मेरा कंडीशन 2 सेटिस्फाई हो रहा है. अच्छा, सेकंड सिनेरियो नॉट सेटिस्फाई बिकॉज आई कैन ऑलरेडी सी 4 being used how many times? 3 times. 4 being used 3 times. ठीक है, which will not satisfy क्योंकि हमें बोला था कि 3 digits twice, तो any digit can come maximum twice. ठीक है, so 4 is the thrice, so that will not satisfy. Okay, then third scenario, again 4 is being used twice, sorry thrice, so that will also again not satisfy. ये भी कटा. Then last scenario, 8 2 times fine, 4 2 times fine, 0 1 time, 9 also 1 time, 2 also 1 time and 1 also 1 time. Okay, so condition says there should be only 2 digits which are used once, but here in the last scenario I am having 4 digits which are used once, so I cannot have 4 digits being used once. I should be having only 2 digits which are used once, right? So this is also not satisfying. So the only scenario that is satisfying all the given conditions is the first scenario. तो मेरे जो क्वेश्चन आंसर होंगे based on the first scenario. ठीक है? Okay, let's move ahead and cross check our solution, cross check the questions. First question, what is the sum of all the 8 digits of the new locker code? Sum पूछ रहा है, तो 2 plus 5 7, 7 plus 4 11, 11 plus 2 13, 13 4 17, 17 8 25, 25 plus 5 30. So the sum of the all the 8 digits of the new locker code is 30. Okay. Which digit is the last digit of the new locker code? Last digit कौन सा है? 5 है, तो last digit is 5. Okay. Which digit is not present in the new locker code? Not present. 4, it's present. 5, it's present. 8, it's present. 9, not present. Right? 9. Okay. Okay, question 4 देखते हैं. Question 5 क्या पूछ रहा है? ABC plus DEF. अच्छा, ABC that is 254 plus DEF that is 248. अच्छा, अगर ऐड किया तो कितना आ जाएगा? 12 10 502. That is option D over here. Perfect. Fourth question. For the first time when Riya tried to solve the puzzle to get her new locker code, as she was in a hurry, she missed condition 2. So in her first trial, how many possible codes she would have got? If you recall, condition 2 क्या था अपना? Condition 2 ये था. कौन सा? 3 digit exactly twice and 2 digit exactly once. Right? So if you recall, we used the condition 2 in the last as the last condition. And prior to that condition, we had these possibilities which satisfied all the remaining conditions. Okay? So prior to using condition 2, these were our possibilities which satisfied all the other conditions except condition 2. तो condition 2 लगाने के बाद बाकी ये सब कट गए और यही एक final scenario अपना बचा. Right? So question 4 is asking about not using condition 2. If condition 2 is not used, how many possible codes will be there? There will be 4 possible codes. There will be 4 possible codes. Okay? I hope the overall solution is clear. Approach जो है आपको समझ में आया. ठीक है? So if you want to continuously stay updated with the questions that I'm sharing and the types of different variety of sets that I'm going to share, right? Then do like this video and do subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that whenever I upload anything, you do get the notification and you do get the video to watch it, right? And also do join the WhatsApp group. Do join the WhatsApp group. Okay? So yes, I'll be sharing the WhatsApp group link in the comment section. Any doubt at any point, कोई भी सेट किसी में डाउट हो, आप डायरेक्टली मेरे को भेज सकते हो once you are a part of that group. Okay? Thank you. See you later. All the best.